Hello everyone, I'm Gokuder. Today we are gonna learn about AutoLISP. AutoLISP is a programming language that can be used in CAD programs such as AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT, and AutoCAD Mac. I guess almost everyone who want to learn AutoLISP is a CAD user, not a programmer. So it is natural to feel that it is hard to learn due to the terminology and concepts. However, it is not that hard at all. It is just unfamiliar. So I will explain things as simple as possible. So if you follow me step by step, you will be able to understand everything without difficulty. I think almost everyone uses AutoCAD on Windows operating system, but some of you may be using AutoCAD on macOS. Regardless of which one you are using, you can use AutoLISP, but the functionality of Mac version is much more restricted. Because on the Windows version, you can use some functions of Windows OS with AutoLISP, but not on Mac version due to its limitations. Therefore, in this video series, I will use AutoCAD for Mac because the functions that can be run on Mac version will also be applicable to the Windows version. I want to provide information which is valid for both. If some of you are using alternative CAD program such as BricsCAD, etc., it will be useful for you as well because the concepts and functions are very similar to AutoLISP for AutoCAD, though not every functions are same. AutoLISP can be executed by typing it in the command window or by loading it as a Lisp file with the extension .lsp. Sure, you can write this Lisp file with Notepad or Notepad++, but it is hard to read and edit with these apps. Therefore, we are gonna use VS Code, which is a way better editor, and then install some extensions for AutoCAD and write our Lisp files. VS Code is one of the most popular editors in the world for writing programming code. It is free to use, lightweight, and you can install any extensions you want. Most importantly, we can install AutoLISP extension supported by AutoCAD, which allows us to execute our Lisp program in AutoCAD in real time without manually loading the Lisp files. So in the next video, we are gonna install VS Code, the code editor, on both Windows and Mac. No matter which programming language you start to learn, you're probably gonna try Hello World. And we have also started learning a programming language, the AutoLISP, so now let's give it a try. In AutoLISP, everything is enclosed in a pair of parentheses. And if you want to make some text appear the command line, we use the function princ, P-R-I-N-C. The function name is the first element in the parentheses, and the text content will be the second. So we will type hello AutoLISP for the second element. Hello AutoLISP. Make sure that the text is enclosed with double quotation marks. And hit the enter key, and if you typed everything correctly, you should see hello AutoLISP on the command line like this. You can execute any AutoLISP code by typing it in the command line, but we want to make much more complex and diverse programs that are maintainable, reusable for any other drawings, so we are gonna write these files instead of typing on command line. Thanks for watching. In next video, we will install the VS Code and then explore the structure of AutoLISP, how to use it, and what we can do with it.